Guys, I've got a cool new product here. It is called Windshield Washer Fluid Bug Remover, okay, from UCS. And you can see all the bug splatter juices from a long road trip. All right, so we're gonna see if we can get this stuff out. All right, guys, we sprayed it on. And guys, look how crystal clean that thing comes out, man. That thing just comes out super clear. Gets off most of it, if not all of it. Give it a thumbs up, guys. Windshield washer fluid. Give it a go, guys. You got nothing to lose. Windshield looks amazing. Okay. Guys, I got a Subaru Forester here. Windshield's pretty dirty. Typical dirty, not crazy dirty. We're gonna use this. I'm gonna pour it in here, and then we will turn it on and show you the before and after. So give it a second here. Hey guys, I'm inside the vehicle right now. Gonna start it up. And then we're gonna clean the windshield. Okay, so this is the before. Here's the after. Okay. Cool. We're done. Check that out. Dang, that looks really good. Look how crystal clear that is. Let's go to the outside. Yep. It's really clear, crystal clear, really good. I would give this stuff a thumbs up, guys.